Teachers, I believe, are the most responsible and important members of society because their professional efforts affect the fate of the earth. Their profession is noble. They are model of kindness, patience and love. Good morning everyone present here. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all my respected teachers. I salute you all for your efforts you invested to bring out the best in us. I salute to all the teachers as you all have been working really hard and tirelessly to make sure our learning should go on. We thank our teachers for your untiring work of providing education to us through online medium during these tough COVID-19 times. To ensure that the children of India do not lag behind, our schools were closed, but every day we were excited to see the lessons, activities, experiments given by our teachers. I will be right if I will say the future development of any nation is in the hands of teachers. Today is 5th September, the birth anniversary of a great teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer of education and was a well-known philosopher, diplomat, the Vice President and President of India, and above all, a teacher. Once, some of Dr. Radhakrishnan's students approached him and requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday. Dr. Krishnan said, "It would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day instead of celebrating it separately." Since then, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. If we see our teachers, they help us to become a good human being and a good citizen of the country. They make us able to face the real problems of life. Our teachers are among the unsung heroes of COVID-19, continuing to contribute to nation building by staying connected with us through internet to ensure that our studies do not get affected. We are really grateful to you for your continued services. Thank you.